Dear aviation enthusiasts, this is Professor Avram Aerospace and Good to Know in Aviation. Today, we are going to continue our discussion about Aircraft Operational Reliability System. And reference document is FAA Advisory Circular AC 120-17, Reliability Program Methods, Standards for Determining Time Limitations. And this is the next chapter, Chapter 5.2, Analysis of Task Effectiveness. Chapter 5.2 states that an airline should routinely perform an analysis to determine the applicability and effectiveness of the tasks contained within the maintenance schedule, etc. And now, let's see what subsections this chapter includes to support this statement.
Section 5.2.1 Data Selection Criteria. Section 5.2.2 Data Sampling. 5.2.3 Task Yield. 5.2.4 Data Preparation and Related Considerations. Section 5.2.5 Summary of data. 5.2.6 Evaluation of data sources. Section 5.2.7 Analysis process. Section 5.2.8 Result of analysis. And Section 5.2.9 Data standards. And this is the short list of the FAA AC 120-17 Chapter 5.2 sections. In the next video, we will discuss about subsection 5.2.1 Data Selection Criteria. Again, thank you very much for watching our videos. Please support us. Subscribe our YouTube channel. Buy our books about aviation reliability, which now available on Amazon.com. We are planning to have a lot of interesting contents on aircraft reliability, aircraft safety, etc. Again, thank you very much for your support. See you next time.